Things you did not know about Orlando. Welcome to sunny Orlando, your dream destination, where magic comes alive and adventure awaits. Famed for its theme parks, Orlando will whisk you into worlds of fantasy and wonder. But there's more. Did you know Orlando is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts? Discover its scenic lakes and abundant wildlife. Explore its vibrant art scene featuring world-renowned performances. Explore its vibrant art scene featuring world-renowned performances and stunning street murals. Uncover Orlando's rich history. From its Native American roots to its space-age advancements, Orlando is more than just theme parks. Discover the unexpected today. Travel with Glen.